As you can see from my screen here, this is a receipt from Google showing I am eligible for Google Veo 3 for 15 months. So I will start paying, I think that should be from 11th of September 2026. And then I'm going to also show you here. So this is Flow, and as you can see, this is a pro subscription. This is one of the videos I have generated. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to use Google Veo 3 for free for 15 months. So here's what we're going to be needing. We'll be needing a VPN, and then we'll also be needing a browser called Epic Browser. Let me close all of this here. So we'll be needing Epic Browser, right? So let's go to google.com, and then for people on mobile, you can actually use Windscribe VPN. So I'm just going to check this for you here. So let's check for Google Veo 3. Right, let's search for Google Veo 3, and then the first link here is Google DeepMind Veo. Let's click on it. Right, so you can either click try in Gemini or try in Flow. All right, so let me first of all turn off this VPN so that you see what I'm saying. So let's try in Gemini, right? And then it's loading. Okay, so this is it. I'm already signed in on this account. The other account is on this Chrome browser. This is it, right? So for transparency, that's the other account, and then this is the Epic Browser one. And then let's try an upgrade. Okay, so you can see it's showing 0 naira, 179,000, and the likes. So when I scroll down, you can see it is not showing me any option, right? So let me turn on my VPN on this Epic privacy browser, right? Turn it on, and then it's going to reload and show you this. Okay, so that is it. So you don't actually need a brand new account, a brand new Google account, as you've seen in maybe other videos. And you also don't need a US phone number to get this working. All you need is the privacy and then Epic privacy browser, or Windscribe if you're on mobile, please. And then so you can see here it says university students for 15 months. All right, check your eligibility. Okay, so it is going to ask us to verify student status, and then right here is ask us for our student email. So how do we get a student email? Let's go to Temple Mail, or let's even use Google to search it. .com/Temple Mail. Temple Mail. Okay, so this is it. So let's click on Temple Mail, the first one. All right, so I would say do not use a random email, okay, to get this to look so authentic and genuine. You should use the username you have on your email as your edumail here. Okay, let's do a quick on this. Okay, that's done. So what do we have here? We have the Karasu Vibes karasovibes@gmail.com, right? So let's go here and add it as karasovibes, and then it's going to be karasovibes at edumail.pl, and then let's create it. Okay, so this is it, right? So let's click on copy, and then we go back to verify student status and paste it there. It didn't copy, so let's copy again and paste. Oh my god, no. Let's hit paste. Why aren't you copying? Let me reload it. Copy. Okay, since we're having problems here. Okay, it seems we're having a problem here. Let's try it again and see. Okay, karasovibes@edumail.edu.pl. karasovibes at edumail .edu.pl. Let me confirm that real quick. .edu.pl, and then we're going to verify. Okay, so a verification code has been sent to that email, so we're just going to close it and come back to it again. tempumail.com. Okay, survives. Good. Okay, there seems to be a problem coming from this browser. Let me check here and see home. So let's try here. Okay, so you can see it is here. So ensure to test with other browsers. These things mess up all the time. Alright, so this is the code they're asking for, and then copy. Let's go to the privacy browser again, Google one, paste the code, and then hit submit. You are eligible, you can see. So congratulations, you are eligible for Google AI Pro student discount. So let's hit on continue. Let's close on this one. I don't like too many browsers. Then let's go, let it load. Okay, so I'm just going to add my card. So if you're a Nigerian, I would suggest you use the Providus card, or alternatively you can use the gray card. Right, you'll be charged, remember, you'll be charged $1 for testing for testing the card, of which you would get refunded later. So you don't need any, you don't have anything to worry about. And then mind you, you don't need to have a US, sorry, you need eligibility for the gray card. Yes, gray card works perfectly. So I'm going to pause now and enter my card details, after which I will show you the last screen. So 1 second please. Alright, so I have just added my card. This is my gray card, and then I'm going to hit on subscribe. I've also been charged $1 to that effect. Congratulations, you are now subscribed. So you can use this till September 26th, as shown here. We'll now go to Gemini Pro. So this is pretty much it. Make sure to subscribe, like, just share the video. So thanks for watching. See you.